Welcome back to the third session in this series of sessions on Watson Assistant in creating a chatbot. My name is Vijay Sridhara and I am an IT architect. In this session, we will look at what's workspace and how to develop workspace further. So when you have created a workspace with some name, you should also remember when you come to your dashboard and workspaces, when you view the details of your workspace, there is an ID that is created. So this is the ID that you will use while communicating with your Watson conversation service. How many such workspaces can exist? You can logically divide your departments in your company or enterprise or whatever into multiple workspaces. For example, I do not want the workspaces to be merged between support and sales. So I will have a sales workspace separate from support workspace. I will have an employee related questionnaire workspace to be separate from non-employee related questions. So you have to logically come out with respect to data security, privacy, and um, logical separation of the duties, roles, responsibilities, and also the data. So that way you arrive at keeping workspaces um, maintainable. You don't accidentally step on somebody else's toes here. So here we have created sales workspace and we are putting in sales related questions into that. So let's go ahead and do some more research there. So we have created a dialog and we have also tested the dialog here. Okay, let's test our dialog one more time. Where did we stop in the last session? I just the Watson has responded for a trigger. Hello, how can I help you? I will say hi, and it has identified the high intent and has responded. Nice to see you. What can I do for you? That's fine. This is where we stand. We can also clear this session and start press by clicking clear. And there is another link called manage context. Context will come there, but we want to further develop an intent, a dialog using the intents that we have already created. So we want to look at the product catalog intent. So what are the different products available in the store? So let's go to the dialog and create a new dialog here and then say product questions, or probably product catalog questions. This is just a name that we provide here, just for us to identify by looking at the node list here on the left hand side, which dialog is handling what kind of questions. This is just for our identification. Otherwise, we will say here, if the bot recognizes the intent as product catalog, we do have a product catalog, sir. Please navigate to the following link: http://www products. So just assuming, I don't think this link actually exists, but if it exists, please excuse me, whoever owns this site. But just for an example, I'm giving. So please navigate to the following link and view the products, or you can have a variance of it. Uh, the product catalog is available at the same link I want to make use of. Excuse me, there was a motorbike that went behind, so that's the noise you hear. So this is the response I want to give. Let's try it. So it said hi, and then I will ask a product question. Do you have a catalog? We do have a product catalog, sir. Please navigate to the following link. So it has given the link here. So is that all we want to do? We want to go further and put a lot of things in here. So if this is a question, you would want to have another node here. You can also specific to TVs, you can ask prod cat TVs. So if the bot identifies product catalog, so let's go to entities just to check what we require is in place or not. So we have a TV models, and we do not have an entity which serves us good for this case. So I'm just adding an entity. Just be with me, don't have to worry. So I will just add some an entry here, TV general. I will create TV general TV entry. So TV models, TVs, televisions. So I added one value to this, TV general. Similarly, we will add one more, mobile general, create entity, mobile, and phones, cell phones, handsets. So I have two entities which will generally talk about TV general and mobile general. So I'll come here in my dialog. I will say and along with product catalog question, if the user has asked about TVs, if the TV general, then respond with yes sir, we have a catalog of TVs as well. Please go to TV. Yes. So let's see if this works. So this is a specific question, not a general question about products, but it's a specific question. So I put underneath this product catalog question. So it will not work because initially it will qualify for product catalog question and it will stay here instead of coming here. Let's see how will it work. So I will clear this and then say, do you have a catalog? So it has qualified for the first one, so it didn't come to the second one. Let's do one more time. Do you have a catalog for TVs or TV? So this is a part of product catalog intent. So it has identified the product catalog and it did not go into the actual TV question. So we just have to move it up above the node. So the product TV has moved up. We'll ask the same question, clearing the context. We will ask this question, clearing the context, clearing everything freshly. Then we'll ask this question. Okay, it is still there. So that means this TV word is not getting identified properly. Let's go to the intents and see TV general. So it has TV and TVs is not taken care. It will be taken care as Watson learns more and more. So let's see if the same thing will work. So I will clear everything and then I will put in here. We have it. Okay, it is still doing the same. So let's go to the dialog and see product TV is working or not. So let's wait till Watson completes its training. Okay, the Watson has completed its training. Let's check one more time and then we will ask the same question. Do you have a catalog for TV? Then it has identified the intent product catalog and it also has identified an entity TV models. Then it goes to, yes sir, we have a catalog of TVs as well. Please go to this link and do what is required, or please view the catalog from here. So we understood now how to mix the intents and entities. We can also have we can also have uh, we can also have this node ask the user about which TV does he want to um, know, does he want to purchase. So specific TV. So what I will say is we also have a catalog of TVs as well. Instead of directing him to the catalog of the TVs, I will tell we have three types of TVs, or four types rather. Larger, largest, big, uh, normal and small. Which one do you want to uh, go for? There's the question it will ask, and user might choose something. So if the user chooses some TV, so for example TV models, if the user chooses the TV models, then respond you have chosen model, it is available with us. Let's see if it works. This is another dialog underneath the main dialog. So user has come here and we want to catch him further and take through this dialog instead of coming out and going into another node. So we want to continue this dialog. So we coded it underneath. So let's copy this question and ask the same question, clear the context and say same question. So it has identified which one. So we have a catalog of TVs as well. We have four types of TVs: largest, big, normal and small. So I will say big TV. It did not identify big in the entity that we are supposed to. So let's check what's going wrong. Okay, I have just checked what went wrong. Nothing actually went wrong. We framed the question at the wrong moment. So let's try it now. So do you have a catalog for TVs? It identifies the TV models. It identifies the intent as product catalog and uh, goes to that response. Yes sir, we do have TV models. There are four types. Which one do you want? I should have said big TV instead of big. I should actually add this big as a synonym, but for now we have the synonyms as big TV, small TV, etc. So I will add big TV here, and it identified the big TV in the entity called this TV models. So that's what you see here. So TV models is identified, and TV 55 is the um, model name that it is uh, throwing at us. So we can further go and ask the price of it, and then it will go to the database of your enterprise and get the pricing details for you and show it to you. How to do that part of it, we will look at it later, but here you need to understand how to take the user through the hierarchy of nodes or dialogues so that he is not lost. And so this is where he is standing now. Now you can still say hi, and it has directly gone back because we did not further set any logic from here. From here he can jump to anywhere in the parent nodes, or anywhere in the hierarchy of the parent nodes. So this is where I logically stop looking at hierarchy of nodes to drive the user conversation. We will look at further setting up of variables in the upcoming session. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.